Hey people, today we're playing Don't Press the Button on Roblox. This game's pretty funny. And that little thing in the side is the radio game pass. I play music. You can't hear it, but I can. But this game's pretty fun. Just go through all these things. You never know what the button's gonna do. Just gotta press it and hope you get something good. Yeah. Like meteors of death. Oh, forgot my year's age. Plus, I don't know if any of the music I have on is copyrighted, so I'm kind of glad. So, yeah. But, the game just has a whole bunch of different different things that happen all the time. Oh, and tell me in the comments if I should update my picture to my character right now. But, his new face. Or should I just keep it there originally what it is? You just tell me. And play this game quite a bit. Oh, great. Radio Game Pass is actually pretty cheap. Only 25 Robux. So, might as well buy it. It's ridiculously cheap for how it actually works too, so pretty good deal. And I'm just playing the same song on loop. Okay, I can't. I need to have a different song. Nope. Not that one. Not that one. 102. There we go. I like this one. Getting me? Why? What? I have no sound. It's not the same for a reason. Wait. Come on. Yeah, I'll just go play Dragon Ball. Repeatedly. Tell you. Whatever. You buy a radio game pass for a reason. Like, come on, people. If you don't want to listen to it, then leave. Like, it has a purpose. You don't spend 25 Robux and not use it. Like, it'd just be wasteful. I'll just play Dragon Ball on loop infinitely. I currently have the music in the game muted, so I can't hear that. Jumping on the doggy. Aw. Oh yay, one's still here! Whoa, 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 you gotta stay on the doggy. No, 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 no. Oh. Ah. Ah. I need... play this on loop. Oh, whatever. Oh, man. I have a speed coil on, so I'm faster. That was a mic. Yeah. I played every floor in here on this game. Yeah, nope. Nope, actually made it. This is the slowest tsunami I have ever seen. It's the same floor twice in a row. 3 in a row. Okay, let's see if we can get a 4th in a row. Nope. Okay, I think I've been in the server for so long, it's now like repeating itself. Oh no. No. Never mind that. Nope. Oof. Just pure oof. Dragon Ball again. I can't get hit with copyright because I don't have no music on YouTube, so ha. As long as no one around me is playing copyright, you will not disconnect. Okay. Hey, well, just leave the server. If you don't want to listen to it, leave the server. Like, come on. I buy Game Passes for a reason, man. Wow, that's actually pretty cheapful. You just jump and nothing will happen. That's just weird. No, once. Doggies! Yoo-hoo! Whoa. Ah. Doggy! Doggy! Yes. Ah. Yay, doggy. I'm just gonna stand my doggy. Doggy! Doggy. No. Save the doggy. No, save the doggy. No. Yeah. Woohoo. There we go. Next floor. And now it's just on loop. Well, I have been here for like 50 floors. Well, 50 like rounds. Spin. Woohoo! Yeah. Hey, we got some twins here. With some twins. Uh-huh. I'm moving. I'm floating. Oh. Hey, TT. Okay, I think I'll let it just float. There we go. Okay, now I want to move. Don't explode. Oh no. This one's a hard one. This one's a bit harder. I really don't like using speed coil on it. I lag a lot when I do this one. I've beaten this one, but it's just really hard. Oh, yeah, he's like, oh no, we're in space, no! Why are we in space, no! Oof. I haven't been recording. I can't tell. Probably not that long. Okay, we're safe. As long as we stand by the button of safety, we will always be safe. Nope, not true. Oh wait, maybe. We will always be safe. We will always be safe by this button. Meow! Break. What on? He lost the fuck. His character, bro. Okay. It's so hard to do obbies with werewolf animation because your feet are so spread apart. Makes you touch stuff you don't really want to touch. Yeah. Sorry, it's not really recommended to do it with werewolf animation to do obbies. It literally makes it impossible. Can't find the button. Can't find that. No, my button. My button. Nope. I'll click it. I don't know if I even clicked it. Click! I wonder how far this spreads out. Wow, that's far. Jump! Wow, that's pretty huge. And I just noticed I did not have any music on. Doggies! Yeah. No, doggy! Aw. Dog. I'm gonna save this doggy. No, save the doggy. Save the doggy. You will not fall off, Doggy. Not on my watch. No, no, you're not gonna fall off. Not on my watch. No, 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 no. Aww. Bye, Doggy. I think we got another breaker here. Another breaker. I think it broke. Well, his arm fell off. His arms are. He's having a seizure. Help! You got a guy with the seizures here. Help! Ninja Gamer MC6 is having a seizure. Yeah. He's stuck. Oh, man, you didn't have a seizure. You gotta calm down. You'll be okay. Just need to stop twitching. Oh, there we go. There we go. What? Where'd you go? Whoa! Why is she walking and has no legs? Oh, SP coil broke again. I can't even walk. How slow I would. Oh, come on. Oh, he died. Don't judge me. I was stuck in the wall. Don't mind me. Let's try this OB again with this animation. Dead. Well, that's pretty funny. They're really looping now. Well, hope you and well, that was. Don't press the button. Honestly, it's a pretty fun game. Hope they add more stuff. Could come something pretty great. The rate they're going. But as all I always say, hope you enjoyed the video and see you later. Goodbye.